Hello, my name is Robert McMillan. I would like to welcome you to my course, Managing Microsoft Exchange Server Recipients and Devices. I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer, Consultant, and College Instructor. In this course, we create and manage mailboxes in both an on-premises Exchange 2019 server environment, as well as an Exchange Online environment using Microsoft 365. You'll learn all about messaging services using Exchange and will understand how to manage, create, and edit mailbox policies, database features, and create resource and shared mailboxes. Everyone is using mobile these days, and I include many demonstrations on how to set up, secure, and use the Microsoft feature called ActiveSync. You'll understand the skills to pair a mobile device into a mailbox and sync the data between all your devices using Exchange policies and Outlook Mobile. You'll also learn about costs and plans for Microsoft 365 and how to compare plans to pick the ones for your organization. By the end of this course, you'll be able to manage users and mailboxes using Microsoft 365 Exchange Online and 2019 on premises. I hope you'll join me in learning these awesome features Microsoft has to offer in my course, Managing Microsoft Exchange Server Recipients and Devices.